In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord camera not working. If your camera isn't showing up in calls, or you're just seeing a blank preview, we'll walk through the exact place in Discord where you choose your camera and confirm it's working, all inside the app. Start by opening Discord and heading to User Settings. You'll find the small gear icon near your profile area in the lower left corner on desktop and in the app settings on mobile. Click or tap that to open your personal settings. This is where Discord stores all your preferences, and it's the quickest route to audio and video controls. Once you're in Settings, locate the Voice and Video section. It's in the left-hand sidebar on desktop, grouped with other voice-related options. If you have a lot of categories, you can use the Settings search bar and type Voice and Video to jump straight there. Opening this page puts all your microphone and camera controls in one place, so you don't have to dig around during a call. Now look for the Video Settings area on that page. There's a drop-down menu labeled for camera selection. Click the drop-down and pick the exact camera you want Discord to use. If you're on a laptop, you might see an integrated camera along with any external USB or virtual cameras you've installed. Choose the one that matches the device you intend to use. If multiple entries look similar, pick one, and remember you can switch back if the preview doesn't look right. If you don't see your camera listed at all, that usually means Discord can't currently detect it, or another program is using it. The list only shows devices that the app can access at that moment. With your camera selected, use the Test Video button right there in Video Settings. This opens a live preview inside Discord so you can confirm everything is working before you hop into a call. You should see your video feed appear in the preview window. This quick test helps verify that Discord is actually using the camera you chose, and it lets you check your framing and background without any pressure. If the preview works, you're set. Discord will remember your choice automatically, and you can close settings with confidence. That's all there is to it. By opening User Settings, navigating to Voice and Video, choosing your camera from the Video Settings drop-down, and running a quick test video, you can confirm your camera is correctly set up in Discord and ready for your next call.